morning students. Welcome in BA part 3rd in paper first. Dear students, today we are reading a poem, Postcard from Kashmir, written by Aga Shahid Ali. A very beautiful, natural and emotional poem in BA part 3rd. Before we are going to discuss the poem line by line, it is very must to know about the short theme of this poem. Aga Shahid Ali. It is very necessary to know about him. Aga Shahid Ali is considered himself as an American poet. Very important matter. First, he born in Delhi. E, that is educated in Kashmir. J, that is shortcut of job. So he job settled in US United States. So it is very necessary that Aga Shahid Ali is very multi-talented poet, because there is the reason that as he born in Delhi, so there is some type of the knowledge about Hindu culture. He educated in Kashmir, so he also knows about the culture and civilization of Muslim, and later he settled in America. So we know that in Western culture he was very proficient. I mean that multi-talented poet means Hindu culture, Muslim culture and Western culture. All three are available in the themes of Aga Shahid Ali. The poem Postcard from Kashmir is a very beautiful poem that is reminding about the memory, that is reminding about the childhood, that is reminding about the motherland Kashmir, where once upon a time poetry. So that is very emotional poem. This is a matter that is written in title of the poem, that Postcard from Kashmir. As the title says, there was a postcard that is coming from Kashmir after a long time when poet was in America. So what happened? As you know that postcard is the medium of communication, although at present time it is rarely used, but we know that in ancient period postcard was the measure and we can say a commonly reachable medium of communication, and it happened in poem that poet just found a postcard from Kashmir, and the size of postcard we know that 4x6, it is a size of postcard. Poet also mentioned the size in poem that this is 4x6 size postcard. That is not only a piece of paper, but it is a source of memory, it is a source of inspiration. Today, after a long time, the picture of Kashmir immediately comes in the mind of poet, and poet thinking very emotionally how his childhood was there. Very natural spot. We know that Kashmir is also considered as paradise on earth. So very beautiful natural picture comes in the mind of poet, and poet feels very emotions. His mind becomes very full of feelings, because every type of the picture he uses some type of the picture of natural beauty, like the river, like the Himalaya. The picture of Himalaya was also painted on postcard in half-inch Himalaya, a very beautiful emotional expression of nature. That how half-inch Himalaya picture creates the complete natural beauty in the mind of poet. Second, a very beautiful example of Jhelum river that was also presented in postcard, and poet feels all these are very beautiful today. And now it is very necessary to understand poem line by line, a very short poem. So I request to you, just open your book in BA part 3rd. And in your syllabus, this is the book, Poetic Reflection from India and Abroad. In this book, there are various types of the poem, in which one is very important, that is Postcard from Kashmir. We are going to discuss it now, line by line. You are requested to open the book and come soon line with me. Postcard from Kashmir, a beautiful poem of Aga Shahid Ali. As we discussed that, poem is about Kashmir, where poet spent his childhood and his education, also completed in Kashmir, And now it is very important to know about the feeling, about the sentiments which he expresses in poem. As we know that postcard is the medium of communication, and it was the matter, it was the incident when poet was living in America. He just found a postcard, and in this postcard there was not only the picture of Kashmir, there was not only the picture of Himalaya, Jhelum and other beautiful natural spots, but it was an expression of memory, it was the source of inspiration, as well as it was a reminder for poet. And suddenly in the mind of poet, the picture of Kashmir starts to jump. Poet becomes very emotional to observe how beautiful Kashmir was there when I was a student and reading in Kashmir. तो जैसा आपने समझा कि कश्मीर जो था वो अपन जानते हैं पैराडाइज ऑन अर्थ है, बहुत सुंदर जगह है, और जब पोइट की लाइफ अमेरिका में सेट हो जाती है तो पूरी तरह से पोइट एकदम वेस्टर्न कल्चर के अकॉर्डिंग रहने लगता है. अब ऐसा इंसान हु इज़ लिविंग इन वेस्टर्न कल्चर टोटली डिवोटेड हिमसेल्फ एज वेस्टर्न स्टाइल, बट नाउ सडनली अचानक उसके दिमाग में वो सब घरेलू बातें, छोटी छोटी प्रकृति के साथ जो उसने अपना समय बिताया था, वो सब बातें उसके दिमाग में आने लगती है. वो बहुत इमोशनल हो जाता है उस पोस्ट कार्ड को देख करके. एक छोटा सा पोस्ट कार्ड, साइज़ भी लिखी है. कुछ बच्चे नहीं जानते होंगे कि पुराने समय में पोस्ट कार्ड भी एक साधन होते थे, कम्युनिकेशन के, संचार के एक माध्यम होते थे. तो उस पोस्ट कार्ड में छपा हुआ आधे इंच में, केवल आधे इंच की साइज़ के अंदर हिमालय छपा हुआ था, झेलम नदी, ये सब देख करके पोइट इतना ज़्यादा भावुक, इमोशनल हो जाता है कि उसको अपने घर की याद आने लगती है. देखिए कैसे वो एक्सप्रेस करता है. कश्मीर श्रिंक्स इनटू माय मेल बॉक्स, माय होम ए नीट 4x6 इंचेज. कश्मीर श्रिंक्स सिकुड़ना, दैट मीन्स इन ए साइज वेरी स्मॉलर एंड मिनिमाइज साइज. तो पूरी तरह से कश्मीर सिकुड़ गया. into my mailbox, an American word which we are speaking about, the post, that is mail in American word. So we are speaking at post in British, and mail is an American word. So you can understand poet was living in America. So the effect of American English is also we can see in the poem of Agha Shahid Ali. तो इन द स्टार्टिंग लाइन पोइट सेज दैट जैसे ही मेल बॉक्स से वो लेटर प्राप्त करता है, जो पोस्ट कार्ड प्राप्त करता है, पूरा का पूरा कश्मीर उसमें समा जाता है. ए वेरी ब्यूटीफुल प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ कश्मीर, ए वेरी नेचुरल प्रेजेंटेशन दैट वाज completely painted on postcard. My home is using for the Kashmir. Poet is speaking Kashmir as a home where he lived. तो that was my home, मेरा घर कश्मीर. ए नीट, बड़ा नीट है, क्लीन है, साफ सुथरा है. 4x6 इंचेज इज द साइज ऑफ पोस्ट कार्ड. तो इस 4x6 के साइज के पोस्ट कार्ड के अंदर उसका बहुत साफ सुथरा घर था, मीन्स कश्मीर था. आई ऑलवेज लव्ड नीटनेस. I always loved neatness. Then poet says that neatness तो उसको हमेशा ही पसंद थी. Now he was living in America. तो we don't compare the neatness of natural beauty in Kashmir and the neatness that was found in urban and western style in America. तो there may be difference definitely. तो poet को तो neatness तो सदा ही पसंद थी, बहुत अच्छी लगती थी. Now I hold, अब मैं होल्ड कर रहा हूँ, रख रहा हूँ मेरे हाथ में. हाफ इंच हिमालयाज इन माई हैंड. अब मेरे हाथ में आधा इंच का हिमालय आ गया. हाफ इंच इज नॉट द साइज ऑफ हिमालय, इट इज अ प्रेजेंटेशन और सिंबल ऑफ हिमालय दैट वाज पेंटेड ऑन द पोस्ट कार्ड. तो ए वेरी ब्यूटीफुल हिमालय's पिक्चर वाज ऑन द पोस्ट कार्ड देयर. एंड पोइट सेज दैट ए वेरी ब्यूटीफुल हिमालय आई एम लुकिंग हियर इन पिक्चर. दिस इज होम, ये तो मेरा घर था, आई वॉज लिविंग देयर. तो पोइट सेज दैट इट वॉज माई होम, it is my home and it will be my home, and this the closest I will ever be home. और ये मेरे बहुत क्लोज रहेगा, हमेशा नज़दीक रहेगा. आई विल फ्यूचर के लिए एवर बी टू होम. एंड पोइट सेज दैट although I am living in America now, but I will consider my home as Kashmir forever, always. But there is a picture of something concern in the mind of poet. And as we know that Kashmir's matter is a political matter. Sometimes it become various types of we can say incidents. तो यहाँ पोइट ने खुद ने लिखा है, व्हेन आई रिटर्न, अगर मैं लौट करके जाऊँ, द कलर्स वुडंट बी सो ब्रिलियंट. कलर्स स्पेलिंग इज एन अमेरिकन स्पेलिंग, डोंट डाउट, इट इज़ एन अमेरिकन स्पेलिंग ऑफ कलर. तो कलर्स वुडंट बी सो ब्रिलियंट. अब शायद उसको पर्सनली इंडिविजुअली वो कह रहा है कि शायद कश्मीर का कलर अब इतना शानदार नहीं होगा. मीन्स द कलर इज चेंजिंग इन कश्मीर. कलर इज नाउ यूजिंग फॉर कल्चर, color is now using for civilization and the system and the political system, all these type of the climate. So that is always changing in Kashmir. So the climate or the color when poet was there was the different color, and poet says that it may be something different today. But important बात कही है, the Jhelum's water so clean. लेकिन झेलम का पानी तो अब भी उतना ही बढ़िया होगा. Try to understand the concept. The natural beauty never be changes. This is an important meaning. Although the climate changes there, the civilization and the culture may be differ, but the beauty of nature, that was the same. Jhelum was beautiful there, Jhelum is beautiful there, and Jhelum will be beautiful. So Altermarine, and Altermarine, that is sea cross, you know that the water place. The poet says that the natural beauty was always the same there. The natural beauty, we can say that it never be changes with the climates and with the political and the systematic adjustment. My love so overexposed, and my love so overexposed. Poet says that I have deep love for country, I have deep sentiment for Kashmir, I have not the word how to express the beauty of Kashmir. I have not the word that how I can express which type of great beauty there was in Kashmir when I was reading there, when I was living there, my childhood was spent there. So every type of the beauty of Kashmir, every type of the beauty of nature I had there, but at the present time I have not the word how I express that feelings, how I express that deep sentiments about my home, about my Kashmir, and my memory will be a little out of focus, a little out of focus. अब इस time में जब poet is going to die, or you can understand at the time when poet spent his whole life almost, so he says that at this time it is not necessary in it a Gantt negative black and white still undeveloped. So last में poet says that black and white is using for both aspects. It means a poet is using black and white as a symbol of two different aspects. पोइट को कुछ आइडिया नहीं है, अब उसको उसके माहौल का, कश्मीर की पिक्चर का कोई ज़्यादा अंदाज़ा नहीं है. ब्लैक एंड वाइट है, मिली जुली सी है, मिक्सअप पिक्चर है. और लास्ट में इसीलिए पोइट कहता है स्टिल अनडेवलप्ड, कि आज भी कश्मीर अंडर डेवलपमेंट चल रहा है. अनडेवलप्ड दैट इज यूजिंग फॉर अंडर डेवलपमेंट. तो आज भी कश्मीर विकास की ओर बढ़ रहा है, एंड पोइट होप टू बी डेवलप्ड इट सून. And this was a very beautiful poem, postcard from Kashmir. I hope that you can understand the poem, and in the next class we will read the next poem. Thank you.